Here's a sneak peek at our stunning version of a classic lemon poppy seed cake. Your baking kit includes all the dry ingredients you need in order to whip up this delicate batter in no time. While the cake is cooling, make a simple lemon syrup as well as a decadent cream cheese frosting, both of which are the perfect complement to the nutty, crunchy texture of your lemon poppy seed cake. Once you've made all of the elements, the fun really begins because it's time to assemble the cake. The cake ring not only cuts the perfect 6-inch layers, it also is used along with the acetate sheet to provide the perfect foundation to build your cake. Be sure to soak each layer with that citrusy lemon syrup, as well as to top it off with a large dollop of cream cheese frosting. Once the cake is set, decorate with the remaining frosting as well as a sprinkling of poppy seeds. A perfect slice of cake. Elevate your presentation even further with additional frosting or whipped cream. Delicious!